Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to use the Quickscan function during an audit. So Quickscan functions are very useful when, let's say you have 1,000 hard drives, it's very consistent material that you're bringing in. The models are already in the system, so all you have to do is scan the model, scan the serial number. So typically you would type out the model, scan a serial number, but in this case you can set up the preset defaults, and so you would hit programming mode and you would select off which checkboxes you want the cursor to jump in between. So if you're going to scan a model and after the model and the carriage key or enter key is hit, it'll jump to serial, and then when you scan a serial with the enter key, it's going to jump back to model. So one of the key things to do is make sure you set up some of the defaults that you choose. So I'm going to choose condition as a default setting that I want inputted for every asset. And then you have to decide which next step you're going to go to. If you're going to bring these all into like the ITAD processing state where you need to grade them and review them, you might want to hit grading as an option. And it looks like if you wanted to place them on potentially a pallet or a case or a specific location, you can. I'm going to use this location and lock it. Now what you're going to do is place your cursor in the model. You can turn off program mode if you don't want to see it anymore, but in general, you're going to scan a model, you're going to scan a serial number, you're going to scan a model and a serial number. So you're going to be switching between different models, different serial numbers. So I could bring in a processor, scan the serial number of the processor, bring in a model of the hard drive, and scan in the next item. So it's a very seamless process, and it's very quick to be able to bring in a massive amount of items in and have the ability to scan their serial numbers during the whole process. So got to be careful you're going at a set speed, otherwise you'll get something like this where I scan too quick. But if that happens, just start back over. We'll scan and then scan the serial number. So that's how you use the quick scan function, and you can see they're all input in the system under the proper location. And if we went over to the assets page, you're going to see all those products that we just scanned in the grading section or grading workflow, which are right here. And then a typical process after this would be to separate out the material between different grades, and then you could use the relocate and update function to scan and grade and adjust those attributes on a the relocate and update scan. So that's how you use the quick scan, and check out the relocate and update video to learn how to pack cases of hard drives.